I'm just making this video for people who unfortunately bought these breakout boards from Parallel Miner. This is X-Adapter X12. This is, I believe, mostly made to be compatible with the Dell power supplies. This is the one I have. So yeah, this thing, the power button on it no longer works. And Parallel Miner won't do much about it. I had 7 of these. All of them are not functioning anymore. Well, also another mistake I made is buy these Dell power supplies, which are really unsupported for crypto mining. There's like very few, almost non-existent breakout boards specifically for this model. So yeah, I bought these, and it's now the power button is not working. There's something happening here, and it no longer powers on. So what I did was I followed another YouTuber who I believe uses these power supplies for hobby. So what he said was like to basically try to connect the fourth pin from this side, the fourth pin, the top and the bottom fourth pin. But obviously I have a breakout board, so this is what I did. So you can count it 1, 2, 3, 4. The pin on the left and the pin on the right side are basically the top and bottom pins. So if you have a board, breakout board like this one for Parallel Miner, and it doesn't work, all you have to do is just solder like a wire between these two to connect them. So I haven't put a switch here, but that's why I put this wire, is because I want to put a switch there. You can also just wire it, and just take one wire and solder both of these points, and it'll stay on all the time, unless you take it off the you remove it from the power supply. Otherwise, if you want to switch, it on and off, you get like one of these wires or something similar, so that you can put a switch at this end, and it'll just turn on when you have the switch on and off. So for example, so as you can see, it's powered on, but when I push this button, nothing happens. So I'm just gonna go here to the wire I soldered on. If I take these two and I join them together, it turns on now. So once I put a switch on it, it'll just turn on and off. So, disconnect it, it's off now. Connect them back together. There we go. It turns on now. Simple as that. Hope it helps you guys out who bought this crap Parallel Miner breakout board. The X-Adapter X12 for Dell power supplies.